Hey y'all, so look at this charging line that was sent to me from TikTok Shop. Check out the carrying case it comes in. That is awesome. So this is a 4-in-1 charging cable. It's got the little wraparound to hold it together. This is the 10-foot one. So on this side, you can use it for, you know, your older iPhone chargers. And then you pull it up, and then you have your USB-C here on this side. So if you need this one, the iPhone one, you just cover it up. But if you need your USB-C, then you just pull it up and pull it over. And then on the other side, you have your traditional USB charging here. And then you have your fast USB-C charging. So you can use this cord for multiple devices. Just say, like in my house, I have the newer iPhone, which uses the USB-C, but my husband and kids and grandkids has the traditional iPhone that uses this, but we can all use this charging cable. Y'all click that orange shopping cart and get you one.